Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I'm making this little air dry clay pot. These are perfect to store your earrings or any small products. So let's have a look how I made this one. And do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel along with the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Take some air dry clay. This is the same clay which I used in my last video to make the clay plates. I will link that video on the I button over there. So do have a look into that too. Roll the clay with a roller pin or anything like that. Do not make it too thin. For the pot, we will need 2 rounded pieces. If you guys have a cookie cutter, use that to give the shape. I am using this weird shape bottle cap to do the same. This will be our base and the cap of the pot. We also need 2 long flat pieces which will be our length of the pot. One is little bigger of about 3 centimeters and the small one is about 1 centimeter. Use some water to smoothen up the edges of the cutted piece. Water works really well to smoothen up the clay and give it a perfect look. It's time to attach the pieces together. Before attaching, cut out the extra portion like this. So now making some wounds or you can say cut marks on the area where we are going to attach the surface. This will give you a nice grip on the joinings. Now use some water, or here I have this mixture of water and little bit of the clay. You can use water as well. Apply some of them on the portion and slowly attach it. For bottom portion, try to pull up some clay like this so that there will be no crack marks after the clay got dry. And for any uneven areas, use water to smoothen up all up. To make the joints more stronger and for smoother edges, just take a little amount of clay, roll it down like this and place it underneath of the pot and use some water to make it look smooth. So now make the lid of the pot with the same manner. Just use some water whenever you saw any uneven portion. After a while, when you're done smoothing it out, it will look something like this. And adding a little round structure on the lid. After leaving it for almost 24 hours, it's gonna look something like this. Now I am going to use some glue mixed with some water and apply it to the whole pot. After this step, it will get really easy to color the pot. Otherwise, coloring is very difficult because the clay also absorbs a little bit of color. Now use any color of your choice. I'm using this beautiful cyan color along with the golden color. This is how this will gonna look. Just adding some dotted mandalas. And here is the pot ready. Do let me know how you like it, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Bye bye.